Angelica speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, I want to order some food.
Certainly, ma'am. Do you have the menu with you? It's on the table next to your bed. Did you see it?
Yes.
May I have your name and room number, please?
My name is Rian and my room number is 3010.
Thank you for that information, ma'am. Okay, Miss Rian, of room 3010, may I take your order?
I want an American breakfast, scrambled egg, white toast with butter, porridge served with cold milk, orange juice, sausage, and hot tea, please.
Would you like tapsilog or hot silog, ma'am?
No, thank you.
Is there anything else that you would like it to order, ma'am?
That would be all.
Okay, ma'am. May I repeat your order? You ordered for American breakfast. Is that scrambled egg, white toast with butter, porridge served with cold milk, orange juice, sausage, and hot tea? Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, that's perfect.
Your order will be delivered with 15 to 20 minutes. Would you like it to deliver right away or at a specific time?
I would like it to deliver right away.
The total amount of your bill is 1.5. Are you paying in cash or charge into your room, ma'am?
Charge it to my room, please.
Is there anything else that I can help with you, ma'am?
No, that's it.
Thank you for calling room service. Have a nice day. Room service, I am Angelica, your room service attendant for today. This is for Rian of room 3010.
Yes.
May I come in?
Sure.
Would you like me to set up the table for you, ma'am?
No, it's okay.
Would you like me to open your curtain, ma'am? How about the TV, ma'am? Would you like me to open?
No.
Okay, ma'am. Allow me to present to you you ordered. You ordered scrambled egg with and white toast with butter, orange juice, hot tea, porridge with cold milk. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Is there anything I can help with you, ma'am? Okay, ma'am. May I have your signature for receipt? I will come back after 45 minutes to pick up your bill or you may leave it outside the door whenever you are done. Thank you. Have a nice day.